In this video, I will show you how you can grant someone access to manage your ad account. Maybe you need someone or an agency to run ads on your behalf. This is how you can do that. So first, you go to your Facebook business account by typing business.facebook.com. So here is my account, my Facebook business account. Then you go to settings. This is a security measure to protect my account. So for some of you, this feature might not be there. Now, in the settings page, what you gotta do is to go to accounts. So here is accounts and add account. In the case where you want to grant someone access, you just go to add account. Now, it is possible that you don't have an ad account yet. If that be your case, what you do is you first create an ad account by using this button, add button, create new, give it a name, like sample, give it a time zone, and next, my business, next, agree to the terms, and next, and confirm. Give it a moment and done. Now the ad account is created, sample. So what you're going to do next is to add a partner. So you're going to be assigning a partner to this ad account. So this is the agency. Now, usually you are going to obtain a business ID from your agency or from whoever you want to grant access, and you will be granting partial access. So you should impute the agency information and add partial access and sign. So once you do this, the agency will receive a notification that you've granted them access, and they will be able to, once they accept it, they will be able to manage your ad account. So please, that is all for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.